Bengaluru police have arrested 5 youths for brandishing swords and performing dangerous bike stunts in the Dijehalli and Ramurthy Nagar areas. The accused, identified as Naeem, Arafat, Sahil, Najamat, and Adnan, were taken into custody after a video of the incident went viral. The footage, recorded by a trailing rider, showed the group engaging in reckless stunts while openly wielding swords. The arrests have triggered political reactions, with the BJP targeting Karnataka's Home Minister and questioning the state government's handling of the situation. The incident has also become a flashpoint in the ongoing political rivalry, with criticisms extending to Congress leadership. The opposition has linked the episode to broader concerns over law enforcement and alleged appeasement politics. Investigations have revealed that the arrested individuals were creating social media reels while carrying swords. A case has been registered under relevant sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita and the Arms Act. Police are continuing their probe to determine if there are any wider connections or influences behind the incident.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ವೀಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಯಾವ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವರು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ, ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.